Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm going to try to duplicate this noise. It just got done raining outside. I don't know if you can see the wetness on the street there. See if I can pick up this noise. I found a bumpy road here I'm going to drive on. See if I can duplicate that clunking noise that's coming from the center of the vehicle. So we got to point this camera back here and see if you guys can hear this. I don't know if you heard that or not, that clunking. I would hope that you could have. So we're going to go a little bit further down the road here. I mean, as you can see, this thing hits really hard as it is, which I don't understand why, because I have newer shocks all the way around. But that metal on metal clunking, it's coming from what sounds to be like the center of the vehicle, almost in the middle section underneath my seat, maybe a little further back. I don't know. I replaced the links on the torsion bars, and I'm trying to find the links on the torsion bar brace. That didn't make it go away. I greased up the keys on the torsion bars just to see if it would dampen any noise. That made no difference. It almost, to me, is starting to sound like the leaf spring bushings, the ones on the front side of the leaf springs. I mean, they're dry rotted to heck and back, and during the wintertime, and after it rained, they used to squeak. I'd spray WD-40 in them, and then the noise would go away. So I'm thinking that's what it is. I mean, there must be some movement in there, because I'm running out of ideas here. And I'm really hoping this picked up the noise so you guys can hear what I've been talking about. And it's a perfect day because it rained and the noise is there. But I mean, otherwise, I mean, smooth. You don't hear anything. You know, it's really confusing to me what that noise is. Like, I mean, I get underneath this thing and tug on everything and nothing moves. It's like nothing's got play in it. So hopefully someone out there has a suggestion for me of what in the world could be making the noise from the rear end on this. I mean, the U-bolts that hold the rear end down, they look good. There doesn't appear to be loose or anything. And just as like a popping metal noise, it's really bad. I mean, you heard how, I don't know, I'm hoping you could hear how loud it was. More so dominant on the driver's side than it is on the passenger side. So we're going to be going over some railroad tracks at the bottom of this hill here, so hopefully the noise of the wonderful GM plastic interior vibrating won't overpower the noise of the actual underneath that I'm trying to hear. So let's see. I'm going to shut up here for a minute. See, it's starting to, whatever, the noise only happens when it rains or when it's really cold out. Like now that it stopped raining and the underneath is starting to dry out again, whatever it is that's getting wet that causes it to clunk so loud. Once it stops raining like it has and the underneath starts to slowly dry up, the noise goes away, and it's already starting to go away already. So it's got to be, in my opinion, some kind of bushing that's getting wet and swelling or something, you know. So it's kind of a shame that I can't figure out what this is. It's really, yeah, see, it's hardly doing it now. Like, I just went over that little indentation, that little pothole in the road back there, and normally that would have made the noise, and it didn't. So it's already dried up enough underneath for the noise to almost quit. So alright, well, I'm going to cut off this video here, but that's the update. We're still dealing with the clunking noise that I'm not sure if it's coming from the torsion bar keys, the torsion bars, or if it's coming from something in the rear end. It's definitely not the exhaust. I just put, you know, a new exhaust on it and checked all the hangers. Everything's tight, snug, nothing's clanging against anything. Everything's good. Like, I'm telling you, everything underneath this vehicle is good. Yeah, look at that. The noise is almost completely gone. and that's because it's dried up enough already just from the rain stopping. So, all right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video, and I'll hit this bump here, and yeah, nope, the noise is there, but not enough to even pick it up. Probably gone already. Yep, I don't know. So if anybody has any insight for me, I'd appreciate it. I'm sure there's some guys out there in these S10s and these Blazers that have these same rear ends. Yep, almost gone. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to hear from you.